So today's topic is the bubble, the straw, and the shoe. It's a story from our unit second. So let's start the story. Once upon a time, there lived a bubble, a straw, and a shoe. One day they went into the forest. They came to a river. They did not know how to cross it. The shoe said, "Bubble, let us float on you." So बच्चों, this story is about three friends, the bubble, the straw and the shoe. One day they were passing through a forest. They came near to a river, but they did not know how to cross it. So then the shoe said, "Bubble, let us float on you." Float means to move on water. "No, shoe, let straw stretch himself from one bank to the other." But the bubble said, "Let straw stretch himself from one bank to the other." So finally, they decided to cross the river with the help of the straw. "Then we can cross the river." So the straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. So after deciding this, the straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. When the shoe jumped on the straw, it broke. The shoe fell into the water with a loud splash. So, shoe tried to cross the river first. The shoe jumped on the straw and the straw broke. And after that, the shoe fell into the river with a loud sound of splash. Splash is a sound of water. The bubble shook and shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. Shook is the past tense of shake. So the bubble shook with a great laughter and burst with a big bang. It was burst with a big sound. Okay. So now we will translate this story in Hindi also. Once upon a time there lived a bubble, a straw and a shoe. एक बार की बात है. बबल, स्ट्रॉ और शू तीन दोस्त थे. वन डे दे वेंट इन टू द फॉरेस्ट. एक दिन वे एक जंगल में गए. दे केम टू अ रिवर. वे एक नदी के पास पहुंचे. दे डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू क्रॉस इट. लेकिन वो नहीं जानते थे कि अब इस नदी को हम पार कैसे करें. द शू सेड, "बबल, लेट अस फ्लोट ऑन यू." शू ने कहा कि बबल, हम तुम्हारे ऊपर तैर करके नदी को पार कर देंगे. नो शू, लेकिन बबल ने तो मना कर दिया. उसने कहा, "नहीं शू, लेट स्ट्रॉ स्ट्रेच हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम वन बैंक टू द अदर." अब बबल ने क्या सजेशन दिया कि स्ट्रॉ अपने आप को एक बैंक से दूसरे बैंक, बैंक मीन्स होता है नदी का किनारा, तो स्ट्रॉ जो है अपने आप को एक किनारे से दूसरे किनारे तक स्ट्रेच करेगा और हम उसकी सहायता से, उसकी मदद से हम नदी को क्रॉस कर लेंगे. सो द स्ट्रॉ स्ट्रेच्ड हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम वन बैंक टू द अदर. ऐसा डिसाइड करने के बाद स्ट्रॉ ने अपने आप को नदी के एक किनारे से दूसरे किनारे तक स्ट्रेच कर दिया. व्हेन द शू जंप्ड ऑन द स्ट्रॉ इट ब्रोक. अब जैसे ही शू ने स्ट्रॉ के ऊपर जंप किया, स्ट्रॉ तो टूट गई. द शू फेल इनटू द वाटर विद अ लाउड स्प्लैश. अब शू जो है वो नदी में गिर गया और एक पानी में गिरने के बाद एक जोर से छपाक की आवाज़ आई. द बबल शुक एंड शुक विद लाफ्टर. अब बबल जो है जोर जोर से हंसते हुए शेक करने लगा. द बर्स्ट विद अ बिग बैंग. और हंसते हंसते बबल जो है वो फट गया और एक ज़ोर से आवाज़ हुई बबल के फटने की. ठीक है, तो ये अपनी स्टोरी हो गई. अब हम करते हैं इस लेसन के क्वेश्चन आंसर. हम इसी एक वीडियो में ही ये पूरे लेसन की पूरी एक्सरसाइज को हम ख़त्म कर लेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन आंसर. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेम द थ्री फ्रेंड्स. आंसर, द नेम्स ऑफ द थ्री फ्रेंड्स आर बबल, स्ट्रॉ एंड शू. Question number 2. Where did they go one day? Answer, they went into a forest one day. यहाँ हमने देखिए did is the past tense of do, so we will write here went. It's the past tense of go. Okay, so they went into a forest one day. Question number 3. What did they want to do? Answer, they wanted to cross a river. Okay, so our question answer is finished. Next is past tense. I have picked all the past tense from this story only. First is live, Past tense of live is lived. Go, went. Come, came. Shake, shook. Know, knew. Cross, crossed. Say, said. Stretch, stretched. Jump, jumped. Break, broke. So these are some past tense. Write down in your notebook. Next topic is opposite word. First is day. Opposite of day is night. In, out. Float, sink. Float means तैरना, sink यानी डूबना. Loud, quiet. Big, small. Laugh, cry. Okay. So you have to write down the opposite words in your notebook also. So next question is, let's share. Put these doing words into the sentences. So these are the clues: jumped, shook, stretched and burst. Okay. So first fill in the blank is, the straw dash himself from one bank to the other. I am repeating, the straw dash himself from one bank to the other. Answer is stretched. The straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. So first answer is stretched. Next, the shoe dash on the straw. The shoe jumped on the straw. शू ने कहाँ पर जंप किया था? स्ट्रॉ के ऊपर. नेक्स्ट, द बबल डैश एंड डैश विद लाफ्टर एंड डैश विद अ बिग बैंग. द बबल शुक एंड शुक विद लाफ्टर एंड burst with a big bang. Okay, so you have to write down all the fill in the blanks in your textbook only. Next question is, let's draw. Trace the journey of a tadpole. Tadpole कहाँ पर होता है? ये सबसे पहले होता है पॉडल के अंदर. पॉडल क्या होता है? जैसे बारिश का पानी कहीं पे इकट्ठा हो जाता है ना, तो वहाँ पे आपने देखे होंगे छोटे छोटे से कीड़े आपने देखे होंगे, वो टैडपोल होते हैं. वो धीरे धीरे बड़े होकर के वो फ्रॉग बन जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये पॉडल है, ये बारिश का पानी इकट्ठा हुआ है. तो यहाँ से हमने टैडपोल की जर्नी को स्टार्ट करना है और कहाँ तक पहुँचाना है. टेक अ पेंसिल इन योर हैंड, ट्रेस द डॉटेड लाइन्स. फर्स्ट puddle, then pond. After pond, it will reach in lake and then river. And what is he saying? I am a frog now. अब मैं एक frog हूँ. ठीक है, it is on your page number 23. Do it in your textbook. Okay बच्चों. Next question is, draw the bubbles, trace and say the letters aloud. So now again, take a pencil in your hand. Trace the bubble first. Okay बच्चों, do like this. We have to trace the bubbles like this. यहाँ थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो रहा है मुझसे. You can do it very well. We have to trace all the bubbles and then we have to trace the alphabets also. First bubble is A. Next C, B, F, E, D, G, H, I and G. Okay, done. Come to the next page now. Match the balls with their numbers. Now trace the numbers. So first we will count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7. So we will match it with number 7. Okay, and now trace it. Yes, next is already matched, but we have to trace the number. It is 8. Next are 9 balls. We will match with number 9 and trace the number. Next is 10. Match it with number 10. Okay, done. Let's come to the next page. Look at these objects. Put them into a tub of water. Say which one will float and which one will sink. So what we will do, we will circle the things which can sink and we will tick the things which can float. Remember, float means तैरना and sink means डूब जाना. Okay, so ribbon will float, so we will tick it. Feather float. Marble will sink, so we will circle. Leaf can float. Stone will sink. Stick is float. Paper will float. Straw will also float. Shoes will sink. And spoon is also sink. Okay, done. Let's come to the last question. Draw the well, color it and say the rhyme aloud. So take a pencil, trace the dotted lines like this. Do it. Complete. Yes, it is done. And now we will do like this. Complete all the dots. And after finishing it, we will color the well with beautiful colors. Okay, so color it. Thank you very much.